All right, short entry in the Dow here. Short entry in the Dow. So short entry in the Dow with the NASDAQ selling off through the lows. Main concern is the tight range of the S&P. S&P right on the lows. It'd be nice to see these S&P break 1.5. If we can see that, we certainly see the Dow head down through those lows. Dow's only got another couple ticks to go to get through the lows. We can see this S&P trade 1.25. There we go. S&P trades through the lows. New lows in the S&P. Still not seeing any amplified sell-off in the Dow, although it is selling down through the new lows. There we go, a little bit more. Let's take these stocks to a 15-second chart. There we go. Here's some amplified sell-off. Still not huge. I mean, I would expect it to be a little bit bigger when it rushes down through those lows. NASDAQ really the only one that's had a sizable move. I'm really watching the NASDAQ for clues on when we're going to get out of this. We'll look to get out of this in halves, get out of it in two parts. Still short entire size on this Dow so far. Going to watch this NASDAQ. As long as the NASDAQ continues to head lower, we'll ride this Dow short out. NASDAQ on the lows, S&P on the low. All right, so NASDAQ pushed down through the lows. S&P and Dow did not make any new rushes to the downside on that one. So look to get out of half the Dow now. So out of half the position in the Dow. So still short half of this Dow trade out of that first half, plus 10 ticks on the first half. All right, so the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P all had just about the same sell-off there. All went at the same time, all went through their recent lows. Look at this, picking up a little more steam to the downside. There we go, now we're really selling off. Starting to see the euro and the pound start to downtick as well. So we're seeing these stocks pull them lower. There we go. Now some selling coming back. NASDAQ right down there on those recent lows. NASDAQ down through the lows. So watch, see if S&P or Dow can make new lows. There we go. New lows in the Dow. So now let's see if this S&P can get below 39.5. Looks like it's struggling to a little bit. Ooh, a little uptick in the S&P. Watch out. We see this S&P trade 40.5. We'll probably look to bail on the second half of this Dow. All right, exit in the Dow. Exit in the Dow. Flat. So no position on now. That Dow short was plus 10 ticks on the first half and plus 15 ticks on the second half. Flat now, no position.